What is ethical hacking? Is it a crafty way to crack passwords or an underhanded method to steal data? Far from it. Ethical hacking is the art of scanning for vulnerabilities and identifying potential threats on a computer or network. An ethical hacker seeks out the weak points or loopholes in a computer, web application or network, and reports them to the organization. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of ethical hacking, exploring it step by step. First off, we have white hat hackers, the good guys of the cyber world. These professionals are the bug hunters and ethical reporters authorized to test for vulnerabilities in a website or network. They provide a crucial service, identifying weaknesses before a website goes live or is attacked by malicious hackers. To become a white hat hacker, one can pursue a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity. Certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker and Certified Information Systems Security Professional can also be beneficial. On the polar opposite end, we find the black hat hackers. These individuals operate without permission, infiltrating websites to steal or manipulate data for personal financial gain. The damage they cause can be substantial, altering functions and causing significant financial loss to companies. They employ various tools and techniques such as phishing to achieve their dubious goals. Balancing on the line between these two extremes, we find the gray hat hackers. While they do violate the law by accessing data without authorization, they often do so with good intentions. Unlike black hats, they expose vulnerabilities publicly, but their actions can still cause harm, disrupt operations, and lead to financial losses for companies. Blue hat hackers are the novices, the beginners in the hacking world. If someone angers a blue hat, they may seek revenge. These hackers have no desire to learn, they simply want to pay back those who have challenged them. Lastly, we have green hat hackers. These are the amateurs who are passionate about hacking and strive to become full-blown hackers. They are eager to learn and are inspired by the experienced hackers, constantly asking questions and listening to their advice. In summary, ethical hacking is a vital field that helps identify and fix vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. From the ethical white hat hackers to the malicious black hat hackers, the curious gray hat hackers to the vengeful blue hat and eager to learn green hat hackers, each type plays a unique role in the vast cyber world. Remember, it's not about cracking passwords or stealing data, it's about securing systems and networks and making the cyber world a safer place.